guys, how's it going? It's hashtag BugLife987 here, and today we're making a packing video because I'm going to England in like 4 days, I believe. So we're going to make a series of England videos, and yeah, so there's going to be 2 before we actually get to England. It's going to be the first one, packing. So yeah, there's also going to be getting there and getting back and not unpacking, that's kind of stupid. First of all, I have my school bag here because it's actually pretty big. Got toothbrushes and stuff, and toothpaste. Got a little journal with some old, writing in it just to keep me entertained. Headphones for some good game experience and all that kind of stuff. I have some Top Trumps, Star Wars to keep me entertained. Still getting stuff. I'm gonna bring some entertainment in this mystery bag. So yeah, let's get packing's done, guys. I'm gonna just take a moment to think about what else to pack, because I am gonna be there for a while. I'm in my PJs, yeah, that's right. It's a chill day today. Oh. If you guys can think of anything I forgot to bring, leave it in the comments below when this video is finished. I'll be back when I know everything to bring. We have more. I have my songbook to write songs in and comics. If I get bored, a pencil for that. A little fidget thing if I get bored. I'm just gonna get a couple more things and I think that'll be it. So yeah, be back when I have them. Here's what I've got. Pokemon, tissues, harmonica, Top Trumps. Finally, books to rot my brain. Alright guys, that's all. Yeah, I think that's all I have that's really interesting to you guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you're excited for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. So, thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time. Peace.